Here we are going to show how we are getting an orders from Foodics Odoo. So for that, as in the previous video we have seen how to generate the tokens, how to sync up the branches, configure the branches and the products we are going to sync. Then in this video we are going to show you how we can get the orders. So for now, for the first time, we have these two branches as we can see, and in the Foodics as well we have two branches which we have configured. And as of now in the Odoo we do not have started any session, or we do not have started, or we do not have take any orders from now. So whenever any first order will come, the session will automatically start over here. So just let's create an order in the Foodics side. So for that, how it will come, so based on the redirect URL, the Foodics will redirect the order. So as we have configured the redirect URL like foodicsdemo.odoo.com, like that. So based on that, we need to configure in the Foodics side as well as a webhook. So based on that, we already integrated the webhook. Like whenever any order will create in the Foodics side, so it will automatically update in Odoo side, like that. So let's create an order in the Foodics side. So first we need to choose the branch. So we are selecting the branch 1 and click on the next button. So here the Foodics customer view will open over here, and there we can select the customer. So let us say we are selecting the customer as this Ketul01 and save this record. And then we just need to select the categories, like product category, which category we need to go with. So I'm selecting the product category 3, and under this category, like we have added this product, so I am adding the product as a 2 quantity. And for now I am not adding any discount, just adding one note, like add some extra sauce. Okay, so it will add like any notes we need to add for particular products. So after that, we just need to click on the total, and here we can see the payment method, bank and cash. So when I click on the payment as a bank payment, and just click on the pay. So once we click on the pay, the Foodics will do some process, and the order will, the pop-up will come, the order get successfully. And when we close this, and we can click on the new order, or we can come to the order menu. And at the same time, when we create, and it will successfully order in the Foodics side. So in the POS, let me just refresh the page. So you can see here the session is already started, and we can see here in the order, not from here, let me go to the order. So here we can see the order is got created, and the status is got paid, because we have already paid that order, as well as the order reference. In the under the order reference we can see 64. So in the Foodics as well we can see here the 64, the number, the under the branch 1, and the customer name is Ketul1. So we can see in the under the Odoo as well, if the customer is there then it's okay, and if it is not there, then it will automatically create an customer with the same name, and it will automatically sync as well as to the Foodics as well. Then we can see the products, the quantity and the unit price, and the amount, and as well as the payment detail as well. Like we have already paid with the bank, so we can see the payment method is a bank, and the amount is 14, like that. And the time as well it will capture by Odoo, and under the status also it will show as a paid state. Okay, so let's create another order with some more products. So I'm selecting the branch again, the same branch. Then we can select the customer. So in the customer, let's select some different customer now, and we can select some different product as well. So let me select this as a 2 products. For now I'm not adding any discount, and let us say some different product as well. Okay, let's add some pizza and burger as well. So in the quantity of burger is 1, pizza is 2, and the puff is 2 again. Okay, and now after the total, let's this time let's pay for by cash, and I'm selecting anything from here and just click on the pay. So it will process the order and the successful. Once the pop-up will come here, it will automatically sync up here. Just we need to refresh the page. So you can see here the 65 order will come in the same session, and the customer is viral, and the total order is 640, and we can see the puff with the same quantity which we have added in the Foodics. Now let's make another order for the new order, and let's select some different product. Sorry, now let's select some different another product. Let's say vada pav, and here I am going to add a discount. Let's say discount. I'm taking 3 vada pav and discount as a fix. Let's say 5, and let's say adding some discount, then add. Okay, so here in the Foodics side we might be not configure the discount properly, so because of that in the Foodics side as well it's showing some warning message. So let me go to the order, and let's create a new order, selecting the same branch, click on the next, and maybe we might be forgot to add the customer or something like that. This time I am selecting the different customer, and again maybe same. Let's add some product, the same product which we have selected previously, and selecting different discount as a 5, and add 5 discount. Okay, this time it's working. Now let me go to and add some discount as well, and this time let's say percentage, and let's say 10% of discount. Add it 10% discount. Add it. So once we have added, now just click on the total and pay as a bank, and click on the pay. So it will process the order, and once it is done we can see the order over here in the Foodics, in the POS we can see the third order is there. And when I click on that, so in the vada pav we got discount amount is 5, and in the pizza we got the discount amount, because while sync up the record we are getting the last amount in the data, so it will show the amount over here. And here we can see the automatically the deduction also it got happened, and the same amount from which we are done in the Foodics side, that same amount it will come over here, as well as under the payment it will show like based on the bank or cash or whatever the payment method we are used in the Foodics side, it will automatically sync up over here. So these are the instant order like 64, 65 and 66. So these are the instant orders that we have synced just now. So we can see in the Foodics order as well, we can see 64, 65, 66. These are the orders. We can verify it from the Foodics side and as well as from the Odoo side. So this is how we are going to sync the orders. Like it is automated, and it is also one more thing I forgot to show you. Let's say for now we have branch 1 and branch 2, and there are let's say we are creating a new order for the different branch, and under the different branch, as we can see, this is a session is not started yet. But if any order is come to that particular branch, then it will directly order under that particular branch only. So that is a very good thing that we have already did. Let me add some quantity and add it, and I am just creating a simple order as a cash and pay button. Sometimes due to networks or something, due to that in Foodics side as well, some order is not got created, but that will be not every time. Or maybe let me cancel this. Click in the orders. Let me create a new orders under the branch. Okay, and just selecting the same products. No need to add the discount for now, and just click on the pay total, click on the pay as a bank, and just click on the pay. Yes, so that will be due to some yes, so we got an order now, and it will automatically session will open, and we can see the orders from here. So the order is there. Okay, so now we can, in the previous video we have seen the how to generate the token, then in the next video how to sync up the products and everything from Foodics to Odoo, and in this video we have covered like how to sync up the orders. Okay,